Thank you, Mr. Speaker. In 2011, the government temporarily shut down acute care beds in Consort because of a lack of physician services. The bed closure was supposed to be temporary, but the months have turned into years. I stood in this House and raised this issue in March of last year. I was assured that the government would work with the community to get this facility reopened. Again, in May of last year, I stood in this House and addressed this issue with the Health Minister. Unfortunately, the Minister responded with, and I quote, "The decision around matching physician supply with the ability to open acute care beds is more complex, of course, than simply the availability of physicians. There are many other support staff that are needed. However, that is not what was promised to the community of Consort, which has met all of the requirements put on them by this government, and yet Consort continues to wait for a timeline concerning the reopening of their acute care beds. The community of Consort has gone out and recruited the doctors and even built them new homes in an effort to reinstate these life-saving acute care beds promised by this PC government. In response, their efforts have been answered with nothing more than excuses. Unfortunately, excuses do little to help the people in need of emergency care. Another promise made, another promise broken.